If you see the check active hood system warning in your Hyundai Tucson, it means the safety system that lifts the hood in case of an accident is not operational. The prior task of the system is to protect adult pedestrians in case you hit them with your Tucson. The system consists of a sensor and lift mechanism, and it's usually about the problem with the sensor after slight accidents. If you see this warning without having a front-end accident in your Tucson, this is most likely an electrical failure. These AHLS modules may sometimes have wiring issues, and the optical wire in them can actually be replaced, but I wouldn't say it's a DIY job since the wire connector is glued to the sensor body and it's hard to disassemble, so you can only visually inspect the wiring on the sensor and see if you can spot some damage or a disconnected wire. But in most cases, the problem is with the sensor that requires replacement. Unfortunately, the new sensor is extremely expensive, and depending on the model, it may cost over 1,000 euros, but fortunately there are a lot of Hyundai Tucson cars in scrapyards all around Europe, and you can buy the used sensor for something like 200-300 euros. Just pay attention that the sensor is not from a car damaged in a front-end accident. You can replace the sensor on your own, and it may not even require any programming. It should work well after you start the car and the system gets proper readings.